Yeah, if the energy minister was here, I'll just let him know that we can actually live our life a bit more with the help of this the incentive with this interest-free loan. We now have a bit more extra cash in our pocket month on month. So yeah, it's going to be a great benefit to us and our little kids getting the toys they want. So we've been here 6 years, rented for 2 and owned it for 4. Our family consists of myself, my wife Brianna, we've got 2 kids, Tyler's 2.5, Harry's 1.
We realised that our electricity bills were quite high. We pay monthly, and working from home, having 2 little kids, electricity constantly being used with washing and dishwasher, all the rest of it, we thought we may as well get solar or look into it.
Well, our business is AG Solar and we're all about saving energy. It's really important, we believe, to take ownership of your electricity, do the right thing by the environment. And that's the thing we hear from our customers pretty much all day, every day.
And we love to provide only the best products to our customers, so we're all about quality in our installs and the brands that we use as well.
What was holding us back was just the initial upfront costs, but being able to get some solar panels on the roof and a battery, that's awesome now that we can do it through this interest-free loan.
Dealing with Brighte and AG Solar was really straightforward. It was basically just some emails to begin with our quote, and then a few phone calls, another email to submit the loan application, and then approved within 1 business day. So it was amazing, yeah, really happy with it.
Brighte is easy to use. It's not a complicated weeks and weeks of going through, filling out lots of forms and just headaches. And that's what people want, it's simplicity. Quick service, simplicity.